The purpose of this video recording is to cover some great options that are available to you in Commons, which can be located in a Canvas course. So, what is it? Commons is a learning object repository. It enables educators to find, import, and share resources, digital library, created by educators, and Commons also allows Canvas users to share their learning resources with others as well. Commons also allows you to import these learning resources into a Canvas course. So where is it located? Commons can be found inside your Canvas course. As directed by the arrows here, you can see that that button is always available to you in your home page. Searching in Commons. Here's a quick little video that explains your availability of search. Here's a quick little video that explains how you can filter your search in Commons. So here I am in my Canvas course, and right here there's a button that states Import from Commons. When I click on this button, it takes me to Commons. And the best way to search for these items is to use the filter, which can be located in your right-hand corner. When I click on Filter, you are given certain types of information to look for. Are you looking for entire courses that are completed? Are you looking just at modules, assignments, quizzes, discussions? Or are you looking for other types of resources? And then here, you can check which grade level you're looking for, and in this case, undergraduate. And you could also even narrow the search by stating anyone who has shared their Canvas resources, or are you looking for all those from Alamo colleges that have shared their resources? And this is a great way to narrow down what you are looking for. And based off my selected filter, I get all of these results to look at. And you can also use this bar to narrow down your search even more by typing in a subject matter or even a terminology that you're trying to research. One of the great things that Commons allows you to do is import. You're able to import any information from Commons. This is a great option if you would like to add everything that you found directly into your Canvas course. And here's a quick little video that will walk you through this process. So once you are done narrowing down your search and you find something that you would like to include in your Canvas course, you would click on that selected item. It gives you a preview of this quiz so you can see all of the questions that are created. And if you're interested in knowing who created this, you can go to details to learn about the author as well as what account it's connected to. And in this case, Alamo Colleges. Your next step would be to import this into your Canvas course. Now, import means that this entire quiz will be added exactly as is into your Canvas course. So you would click on this button that's located right here, import/download, and then you will select which Canvas shell you would like to import this quiz into. Once your selection has been made, you'll click Import into Course. You will then get a response stating that you successfully started the import. It may take a few minutes in order to see this quiz loaded up in the selected Canvas course. So when I go back to my dashboard, I go back to the Canvas course I selected, click on Quizzes. Now I can check and I see that here's the quiz that we had selected from Commons. I can click on this, select Preview, and here I can see, yep, those are the questions. You're also able to make any changes to this quiz. This is your quiz and you can decide how you would like this quiz to run. And then once you made your selection, you can click Save and have it published for students to view. You can download any information from Commons, which is a great option if you would like to only add certain items to your Canvas course. So here's a quick little video to walk you through. So here I am inside one of my Canvas shells, and I'm going to click Import from Commons. This will load up the Commons, and here I'm able to filter my search and find any specific information that I'm searching for. So for example, after researching, I find this really great Canvas course, and I click on it, and here comes all of these great labs and assignments and discussions that have already been created by a single individual, as well as all these different files of information. Well, let's say that all I wanted to do was focus on just the assignments. So if I want to just select a certain particular item, I would need to download. If I were to click import, everything would go into my Canvas course. So what I want to do is just download some of this. So I'm going to say I just want to download the assignment. So I'm going to click over here, import/download. I'm going to click this button, and then I'm going to choose which Canvas course this is going to go in. And right here, there are two buttons, import into course, which means you're going to take everything, or download. I'm going to select download. Right away, you'll see a zip file will start to load up. Now, depending on how much information I'm downloading, it may take a while for this zip file folder to save. So now, after I've done that, I'm going to exit out, and I'm going to go back to my dashboard, back into my Canvas shell. So I'm going to click Import Existing Content, and then I'm going to select Canvas Course Export Package, because once again, the information that we downloaded from Commons is going to go into a zip file. So we're going to make this selection, choose the file, and I just go straight to my downloads. There it is. Make that selection, open, and then I'm going to say select specific content, and then I'm going to click import. Now, depending on how big the zip file is, this may take a while before it finishes uploading. Now that my file has finished downloading, I can see that it's now listed here and it's waiting for a selection. So I'm going to click select content, and here I'm going to have everything that was downloaded from Commons, and I can pick and choose which items I want to add into my Canvas course. Say I want this module right here, and I want the pathogens, and say I want the quiz, and if I want to look at some assignments, I can click on this, and it brings me even more assignments that I can choose from. And after I've made all my selected choices, I will click Select Content. And now, depending on how much information you're choosing to put into your Canvas course, this may take a while. But soon as this item shows, soon as it displays as completed, you can then find all of these items within your Canvas course. Now that it states completed, all I have to do is click on my modules, and it's going to be at the very bottom, and here it is, the 2 labs that I wanted. Now that I have these modules, I can make edits and changes to this. This is now my module. I can decide what items to keep and if I want to change the point value on certain things. And the same can be said for all the other items that have been added to my Canvas course. So just to recap, this tutorial covered defining Commons, searching, importing, and downloading. Please feel free to contact if you have any other further questions or need of assistance.